T-S-T. Woo!
Let's go! We said 1, 2, 3, take your hand on me. You look so fine that I really wanna make you mine. Say you look so fine that I really wanna make you mine. Oh, 4, 5, 6, come on, get your kicks out. You don't need nobody when you look like that, do you, honey?
You guys, check this out, You guys, check this out.
What?
I can solve a Rubik's Cube. Guys, I'm a freaking genius. Can you guys solve a Rubik's Chris, can you solve a Rubik's Cube? I don't think so, man. Can you? Chanel, can you solve a Rubik's Cube, you idiot? Come on, get out of here. I'm gonna go take a piss.
Dude, guys, I hate it when jokes like this, man. He's so cocky.
Dude, I know. He does it all the time.
I know. Don't you guys remember when?
Parents are gonna kill me.
Hey, dude, what you got on the test today?
D.
Hey, pwned!
Gabe!
Pwned!
Ready, guys? It's gonna be the perfect burger. Got the lettuce, got the onions on. Oh yeah, tomatoes. Yeah, ready? There's a top bun. Oh baby, ready for this burger. Ah, no! No!
Pwned!
You're a jerk.
Fight after lunch today?
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude, that kid got his ass.
Dude, he took the
I can't,
mustard
I can't believe
packet.
that happened.
I
Like,
know.
oh my.
Pwned!
Joe, what's for dinner?
A frying pan. Pwned!
Yeah, dude, my head's still ringing from that.
Dude, we need to get it back somehow.
Dude, guys,
Yeah. What?
let's mess up his Rubik's.
Oh, sweet. Oh,
yeah.
good one. Dude, let's turn this around. Oh, come on, get in there. Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna put this in.
Not gonna be solved this one now, huh?
Ooh, get that one around there.
Oh, he's coming. Joe. I mean, you can't solve this now.
Yeah. Okay, Shinyu. Pwn your meager intelligence again. I give up. Screw this thing. Holy shit.
Either you guys seen Joe lately?
No, I haven't seen him ever since he went nuts over that cube a week ago.
I don't know. What should we do?
Alright, let's go check up on him. Alright?
Alright, yeah, I'll try.
Alright. Let's pick up Gabe all the way there.
Yeah, sounds like a good idea.
Should be in here, guys. Hey, Joe. Alright, man?
What's going on? Rubik's.
Oh, man.
solve.
Yeah,
Q.
looks like we screwed him up pretty bad.
Alright, should we tell him? Should we tell him?
Q.
Alright, okay.
you
Alright.
do it.
Hey, Joe.
What? Q.
Yeah, you know what we did?
What?
We switched a piece on the Rubik's Cube
What?
just to mess with you. Yeah,
It's pretty much impossible.
yeah, we switched a piece on Rubik's Cube, so you can't solve it anymore.
What?
Pwned! Oh! Alright, let's go, guys.
Get out of here. No. Q.